Is that a baby birdie?
He's singing to her. The gray likes them.
Come here, baby. One can see Stewie too. One can see Stewie too. Oh.
I think it's put stuck to the towel.
Yeah. Here. Oh. Here. Go see Stewie.
Oh. Did you hear it?
Yeah. Which one was it?
This one.
Okay, hang on to him for a second. Let me put down. How to get the baby?
She's talking back to Stewie.
Is she?
Yeah.
Which one?
Okay.
Here. Stewie's towel dropped. I'll get him. Here. There. Good. There you go.
The cinnamon is talking back to Stewie. Stewie, look at your babies. What's the matter? You don't like them?
He's going in for his close-up.
You don't look how cute he looks.
I know. Hey, Stewie, he knows his towel's on the floor.
Oh. Oh, here you go. There you go. Go get it.
Stewie.
See?
Yeah. Videotape
Look, look,
him
look, 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 look.
Is that your baby?
Stewie's getting scared.
It's that little girl chasing you. It's that little girl chasing you, Stewie. You big chicken. Get your cow, Stewie. Get your
Oh,
cow.
these two are boys.
I don't know. Hi, babies. Look at him walk.
She's got long
I know.
legs.
Hi, long. Where are you going? Where are you going?
They're more comfortable now that... Oh. What are you trying to do?
She's trying to climb up. It's too slippery. You getting this?
Yeah. Oh.
You gonna weigh yourself? What? Are you gonna weigh yourself?
She's like, I'm getting fat.
She's gonna weigh
Hi,
herself.
baby. Hi, baby. Yeah? What's going on?
Look at they're actually looking for food. I'm gonna have to bring Stewie out here more often. You can't get up there. You can't get up there. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
You like me, huh?
You like Stewie. Come here, Stewie.
Stewie's scared of her.
Whoops. Go over there. Go over there. It's your debut to be on camera. Stewie, go see the baby.
They're actually walking around,
I
though.
know, it's the first time. Hi, baby. Hi, pretty baby.
Oh, look at a little butt shake.
Hi, pretty babies. Stewie, come here, Stewie. You stinker.
I think Stewie's making him feel comfortable.
Come here, Stewie. Stewie, come here.
What happened, Stewie?
Oh, that poor baby can't get up on there.
What's wrong, Stewie?
Look at him trying so hard. Look.
Oh.
Yeah. Oop. Flap his wings.
I'm here too.
Get off his tail. He's standing on his tail.
Oh, you got it. Tim fell right back off. Uh-oh.
Oh, I know. Look at this. I get their nails stuck in it.
There you go.
There.
There you go. There you go. You like Stewie? Do you like Stewie? Huh? Do you like Stewie? Do you want to get down? You want to get down?
He wants to get up there next to me. Look at this. What you doing? He's trying to get in the
You can't walk through glass. She's holding on for all her life.
Steps on his tail. Stop and start it a couple times so I can get